got 3 songs with over 100k streams and 1 song with over 200k streams. I'm just letting you know so you know that I know what I'm talking about, and this is not some mumbo jumbo, but practical stuff that I did to get those numbers. And I'm here to show you how you can do it too. Everything starts with an idea. Don't touch the FL Studio, the Logic, the Ableton before you know where you are going. Okay? You need an idea, you need something that will catch the person. Here is a good example of an idea done correctly.
Блять, давайте сюда, блять.
Next, we want to research the market and see what is trending right now. What are the genres in music that are popping off? What are some specific songs that are popping off that we can recreate their vibe with the idea that we did? We are doing this so when we release the song, the algorithms will be already on our side because the algorithm already boosts that specific genre or that specific song. So when we do in a similar vibe, the algorithm will most probably boost us also. You got the idea, you got the trend, the market. Here's how I personally did it with my latest song called Goggins Effect. The idea was to use David Goggins' motivational and inspiring energy. And honestly, it doesn't even matter what song I would use, as long as it would sound good with David Goggins on top of it. I knew that the song had very high potential to go viral. Next, I started researching the market, right? I started browsing TikTok, YouTube, and I was looking at what is popping off in my niche. And I found out a genre called Brazilian funk, which I personally really enjoy making. David Goggins and Brazilian funk, they go really well together. Both of them exude. Is there a word like that? I'm not sure. David Goggins, very mentally hard, no tough, and the genre is also same energy. So by combining them, I knew that it would work out. The next step is the creation of the song itself. This part has to do with your own skill and how good you are at producing. If you have limited knowledge in making beats and songs, go on YouTube, research. There's shitload of tutorials that you can watch to improve your skills. Then you can combine it with your idea. This is the part where your creativity and your sprinkle of touch will shine through. And make sure not to just copy the trend, you know? Like, put on some interesting stuff from yourself. Music is all about creating. Make sure what you have is an interesting, fun thing to listen to, and yeah, you're pretty much covered. If you have completed all of the steps so far, congratulations. You now possess a product that will make you rich, famous, and powerful. Don't forget to create a very beautiful, attractive artwork that will comply to the song itself. Now we come to the marketing. There are 2 things that you can do from here. 1, go fully organic. Drop the song, share it on all platforms, on Instagram, share it everywhere, send it to your friends, and cross your fingers that it will work. And this is something that I did with my first song called Dr. Lifsy Funk, which right now has over 200k streams. And all I did there was to release it, combine the strategy, then share it on my Instagram page. That's all I ever did really with that song. I did not buy any promotions for it, and because of the trend, it was so powerful that it carried the song. It's possible to go viral and it's possible to get a lot of streams by being fully organic, but it requires insane amount of consistency. If you want to be serious about like organic growth, you need to be dropping a song at least every week. And actually, the more you can drop, if you can drop a song every day, if you have this capability by implementing this strategy, you will hit 100k. There is no way you won't hit, but you need to be consistent. You're in a place where are millions of people like you who are trying to get famous also. You all are competing for internet space, you know? You have to put in the work. You can't just release a song and be like, okay, yeah, we're chilling now, No, it does not work like that, unfortunately. You need to be putting a song at least every week. Now, you have option number 2 is to buy promotions. This way you will save time and can guarantee very fast rise to virality. It's something that I personally experienced, and I have a person who I worked with who also experienced and actually got signed by a label because of buying promotion. So it absolutely works. It's not scammy like to buy promotion. It works and it will speedrun your success, absolutely. How do we actually promote our songs? There's so many ways, whether it's like Instagram ads, Facebook ads, like TikTok. What is the smart way to go about it? And I found out that the best way as of 2023, from my experience, is to buy promotion from CapCut TikTok editors. There's like TikTok pages and they upload different templates of their edits. The edit will have a cool song to comply it. You can contact those CapCut editors and tell them, I want you to use my song in your edit. The editor will take your song, combine it, he will upload it to TikTok, but because of the nature of the CapCut template, many people want to use it, so they will use the edit and your song will be on there. So many people use it, and you catch what I'm trying to say. This is what's happened with my song called Brazilian Funk X. I got over 300,000 TikToks right now. It did transfer to Spotify. To sum it up, go on to TikTok pages that do edits, specifically CapCut edits, and contact them to promote your song. The more those CapCut edits you will buy, the higher the chance you will shoot out and get your 100k streams and even go viral. There are more ways to promote your song on TikTok, but from my experience, they are not as useful as CapCut edits. A while back, I made a list that you can download and like see the channels that I personally purchased from. I will put it in the description so you can get it from there. And yeah, enjoy. Do your research. If you decide to use the TikToks from the documents, DM me if it worked out for you. Also, something that is really mainstream as of December 2023, something that I have not used personally, but I am going to try it, is the reaction TikTokers. They take your song and they react to it and will go like, oh, what the whoa, like this on your song. And like psychologically, it hypes up all the viewers. Damn, this song is really good. People want to listen to it. And I have not used their services, but I definitely plan to in the future. There are many more ways to promote your songs, but I did not use them, so I will not recommend them. You can do like Facebook ads, all the stuff. For me, the TikTok promotion and specifically the CapCut template promotion yield me the best results. That's pretty much it. You have the idea, you have the trend, you combine it with promotion, and boom. If you stay consistent with it, and it's really in every aspect of our life, if you stay consistent with it, you will get your 100k. Just put in the work, stay consistent with it. Just apply this strategy with consistency and you're done. You're getting the 100k, you're done. You're up there. Hope I helped you to clear out some stuff. I recently released a free Brazilian Funk Bass one-shot kit. It's absolutely free. It has very good sounds, good quality of sounds to help you create songs in the Brazilian funk genre. So be sure to check it out, link in the description. Keep producing and keep putting out content and you will make it. Good luck.
Yeah!